Now that I've completed the translation of my English financial document into German, I'm going to take a quick look at the translated document. And if we scroll down in the preview, we'll find when we get to the tables that these remain in English. That's because these embedded Excel tables cannot be extracted and processed by the translation environment that I use. But I extracted and translated these, and they're here in the embeddings folder. And here you'll note that the texts are in German. So I'm going to copy that folder, and then I'm going to change the extension of my translated file. I'm going to change the extension to zip, and then right-click on the file, open it with Windows Explorer, go inside of the Word folder, and here I'll find the original embeddings folder. I'm going to delete this folder, and then I'm going to paste the embeddings folder with the translated spreadsheets. Then I go back and rename the extension to DocX. Okay, let's open up a document and have a quick look. If we look through the document, when we get to the tables, we'll find, oh no, they're still in English, but we just put in the German tables. What we need to do is refresh the view of these tables. Now that can be done a couple of ways. You can right-click on the table and tell it to open the worksheet object. You notice that it's in German. And when we close it, the view will be refreshed. But if you have a lot of embedded objects in a document, that's a bit of a nuisance. So I've written a Word macro that'll go through and do this for me automatically. I'm going to bring up my macro list with Alt F8. The macro that I've written is called Open Embedded Objects. I'm going to select that macro and run it. As you can see, it's going through and opening up each of the embedded objects. And then when it's finished, I just click somewhere in the document, and the review of all of the embedded spreadsheets in the document has been updated. So now the document is ready for delivery to the customer because everything will appear in German.